Hello everyone, this is Elijah with Financial Anatomy, and this is a place where you'll learn how to take control of your financial destiny. We talk about apps involving money on this channel, and we're going to be talking about the Cash App, specifically how can you link your bank account without actually using PLAID. So PLAID is an online service that most apps use to verify identity. So you use PLAID to link a bank account with another bank account often, but some people don't want to use it. And they don't know that you can actually link a bank account to Cash App without using PLAID. It's a very interesting process. So we're going to start off by clicking on the Cash App. And then you'll need to click the person icon in the top right hand of the screen. From here, scroll down and click on Linked Banks. Then you want to click on Link Bank. It's going to pull PLAID up just like it normally would. You want to go ahead and press Continue. Pick whatever bank that you want to link. We're just gonna go with Chime in this case. And then it's gonna ask you to enter the email address and password. Now, you don't have to actually proceed with this. Just press the X icon in the top right hand corner, and it'll ask if you want to leave PLAID. Say yes. And then you'll be asked to manually enter your bank's account number. So you want to make sure you do have your routing number and account number on standby. So right now I'm in the process of logging into my Chime account so I can copy and paste my routing and account number. I entered the routing number, now I just need to enter the account number. You'll be asked to confirm your account number. And boom, my Chime bank account is now linked to Cash App, and I did so without actually using PLAID. That does it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. If you haven't signed up for Cash App and you have an interest in doing so, you want to check this video out that's popping up on the screen right now that gives a tutorial on how to do so. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up for YouTube algorithm. It really helps a lot. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.